Wow, those is Gemini twins were crazy. I can't believe we got away.
A group of two-faced horoscope crazies, we definitely escaped with our lives. Splinting up was a good idea.
Especially when people smell like bull.
Wait. Huh?
Nothing. Nothing at all. But hey, at what rate do you think we were separating away from each other? For as long as we were flying, it must have been a crazy amount.
Here we go again. Everything has to be a math problem. How would you even figure that out?
You don't know how to figure it out. It's a related rate problem, also known as math you learned in 2nd grade.
We did not learn this in 2nd grade. We learned geography, vocab, and in my class, how many thumbtacks we can stick on the teacher's chair.
It's a basic grade school formula.
That I did not learn until middle school.
So stubborn. Just like your sign, why do I even bother?
And there goes that Libra temper again. Anyway, explain how this related rate problem work?
Well, since I took off north to escape the first twin and you flew east to elude the second, we need to think of it as a triangle. And how do you relate the sides of a triangle?
Don't know and starting not to care.
The Pythagorean theorem. Z squared equals x squared plus y squared.
Right. I knew that. Keep going though.
We know dx over dt and dy over dt. We would like to find dz over dt and the end of t hours when we know x miles and y miles. We must differentiate both sides of the equation x squared plus y squared equals z squared with respect to t to find dz over dt. 2x times dx over dt plus 2y times dy over dt equals 2z times dz over dt. You got all that?
Yeah, find x, y, z and all that jazz. I hear you.
We have all we need to solve this problem except for z. We can find z by plugging in our known x and y values, distance in miles, into the equation for the Pythagorean theorem. X squared plus y squared equals z squared. After we plug our x and y values in, we take the square root of the total to give us z.
Wow. This is actually making sense now.
I am actually changing the opinion of Taurus in making miracles. Here.
Okay, are we done now?
We are almost set. We now just plug all of our information back into the differentiated equation of 2z times dz over dt equals 2x times dx over dt plus 2y times dy over dt. After you do that, you divide both sides by 2z. And there you have it, dz over dt, which will tell us the rate at which we were separating away from each other, which in our case will be miles per hour.
Is that what all that means? I didn't learn that in 2nd grade. That's preschool work. Anyone could have done that.
Yeah, right. If you ever need another refresher, just go on Twitter and check out #FameUMC2230 for more info.
Twitter is lame.
No one followed back yet?
No.
Bye, El Toro.